Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So it comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, reverse parking sensors and tinted rear windows. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and full Bluetooth connectivity. You've also got dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.